Want to jump into the action-packed world of Marvel Rivals on your PC? Let's get you started in under 90 seconds. First, head to the official Marvel Rivals website. You can find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign Up button. Click it to create your NetEase Games account. This is essential for accessing the game. Fill out the registration form with your email address, create a strong password, and accept the terms of service. Double-check everything to avoid any issues later. Now, download the Marvel Rivals launcher. The download button is typically found on the main page after you logged in. Run the downloaded installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the launcher on your PC. This might take a few moments. Open the Marvel Rivals launcher and log in with the account you just created. The launcher will automatically start downloading the game. Make sure you have enough disk space. While the game downloads, explore the launcher settings. You can adjust graphics settings to match your PC's capabilities for optimal performance. And that's it. Once the download is complete, you can launch Marvel Rivals and start playing. Get ready to team up with your favorite heroes and villains. Good luck.